Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today we share a DIY version of American Girl's Cozy Up Hot Cocoa set. See how to craft your doll's delicious hot cocoa drinks with fun toppings, a canister of hot cocoa, and a bottle of whipped cream, all made from simple household materials. If you enjoy our crafts, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. So, let's get making! For perfectly sized doll drinks, we are using plastic communion cups bought off eBay. Now spray paint them mint green and hot pink to match the colours of American Girl's set. Once dry, add the fun snowflake graphic onto each cup with white acrylic paint and a tiny brush. You can find inexpensive nail art brushes like these at Daiso. It helps to sketch the image lightly in pencil first, then paint over it. Once the paint has dried, we can fill the cup. Here we are using aluminium foil. Simply rip off a sheet and tear the foil in half. Take one piece and scrunch it up to fill about 3/4 of the cup. Take the other piece and shape it into a circle with a domed top. Apply hot glue to the underside, then adhere this piece to the foil inside the cup. You want your foil to peak slightly over the rim. To mimic the look of AG's hot cocoa drinks, we will be using white hot glue sticks. On a non-stick surface, such as a silicone mat, baking paper or contact release paper, squeeze out fat drops of white hot glue for marshmallows, then let them set. For the peppermints, make smaller drops of hot glue and carefully fold over your non-stick paper to press the drops flat. Once the glue has cooled, peel back the paper. With our toppings ready to go, we can cover the top of our drinks with more white hot glue. Wait for it to cool slightly, then place 2 peppermint drops on the right side of the cup and 2 marshmallows on the left side. Using a red marker, add the swirl pattern to your peppermints. Perfect! So our dolls can hold their drink, cut strips of plastic packaging and paint them the same colour as the cup. Bend each end to make tabs, then adhere to the base and rim of the cup by applying hot glue or E6000 to the tab areas. We chose to add more dimension to our pink drink by drawing another layer of white hot glue to look like swirly whipped cream. The snowman's face was drawn on with a combination of brown marker pen and drops of coloured puffy paint. We added the handles as before, then checked that the fit was firm when placed over the doll's fingers. To make the hot cocoa canister, find a clear plastic cap like this one from a bottle of hair mousse. Fill the cap about 1/3 high with brown paint. Now roll and tilt the cap to move the paint up the sides. Aim to leave a band around the top paint-free. You can use a damp cotton tip to clean off any overspill. For a lid, we are using this cap from a gumball prize. Simply paint it silver, then glue to your canister. To make the nozzle, cut the curved tip of a popsicle stick and attach a spout made from leftover clothes hanger. Paint this piece silver before adhering to the bottom of the canister. Since AG's set comes with a bottle of whipped cream, we will make ours from items foraged from around the house. Here we took the cap from a hand sanitizer bottle since it has a raised lip around the opening. Cut away the lid and reduce the height so the cap is about 1 centimetre tall. Next, make a pointed nozzle by shaping the tip of a cake pop stick. If you don't have an X-Acto blade, you could try shaving the paper with a pencil sharpener. Push the tapered end of your stick through the hole in the cap, allowing about 1 centimetre to jut out. Here we cut down a paper tube to be the body of our whipped cream can and wrapped it in strips of computer paper to make it the same thickness as our cap. Reduce the width of your final paper layer by 1 centimetre so the 2 elements can connect together. Now cut thin strips of paper for trim detail and glue a strip to the base of the can and the other below the cap. Seal the bottom of the bottle closed with hot glue. Then once it has set, Peel away any excess from the sides. For more detail, paint the trim and around the nozzle silver. We like using Reeves metallic paint since this brand is highly pigmented, requiring only a few layers for complete coverage. To finish, we made a label from red scrapbooking paper and referenced an AG image to draw the details with white gel pen. For protection and added shine, we covered the body of the cream can with a strip of packaging tape. Fantastic! Your DIY Cozy Up Hot Cocoa set is complete! Thanks for spending your time with us today, and be sure to come back soon for more miniature Christmas crafting fun.